going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So today I wanted to talk about, and I'm pretty sure I've discussed this before, but the difference in credit repair and credit solutions, because so many people feel like I'm changing it up, trying to hide behind something or whatever. Well, there is a difference in credit repair and credit solutions. As I've been telling you all, I haven't been doing credit repair the whole time. Well, my mentor's been trying to get me to switch to advertising, marketing as credit solutions, because it is credit solutions. We are a solution to your bad credit, and we never dispute anything on anybody's credit report. Never. We do not dispute anything. So, as most of you already know, with credit repair, whether you do it yourself or whether you hire a company, what they are doing is they are disputing negative, inaccurate, erroneous information on your credit report. Now what they do is they scan through your credit report, whether they're doing it manually or if they're using credit repair software, doesn't matter, it's basically the same thing. The software just makes it a lot easier and faster for them to do. But what they're doing is they're going down through each negative item and they're pointing out inaccuracies. Now it could be the date open, it could be the date closed, it could be a balance, it could be anything that's not accurate across all three credit bureaus is a reason to have the account either removed or have the account updated. Now at the end of the day, it's always going to be up to the bureaus. They have that option. They can update it or they can remove it. And a lot of times what happens is they just remove it because it's much easier to remove it. Now if they come back and say the account's verified or you don't get the results you want, then they'll either go down through there and point out more inaccuracies or ask them how they verified the item because everything's still not accurate on the report. Now, with credit solutions, which is what I do, we challenge negative items using Metro 2 compliance-based challenges. We use consumer laws to challenge the way these items are being reported. And then obviously if we have to, we use CFPB complaints to force the bureaus and the secondary bureaus and also sometimes the creditors to actually do their job. So I just wanted to make this quick video. I'm pretty sure I've made one before. Maybe a lot of people haven't seen it, but it's something that I get asked just about daily. What's the biggest difference in credit repair and credit solutions? And one big reason that credit repair is not in a good spot right now is because, I know everybody knows the Mike Rando credit game thing. The FTC does not play when it comes to making promises and guarantees. Because the FTC, just like these companies that are, giving promise and guarantees anyway, knows you can't do that. That's not how it works. An item has to be inaccurate or not yours to come off of your report. There's no other reason to try to remove something in your report. Same with hard inquiries. It needs to be an inquiry that you didn't apply for. If you go to buy a car, they shotgun your credit, you gave the car dealership permission to run your credit. You didn't give them permission to shotgun your credit to 20 different banks and then throw 20 different inquiries on there because you didn't get approved. They do it anyway. But anyway, if anybody's interested in signing up for Credit Solutions, go to my website, everythingcreditllc.com, click on Sign Up for Credit Solutions, and then send me a text message to 229-380-7837. I will then send you the welcome email that will have your client login credentials. You will then upload the documents that are required, which are a picture of your driver's license or ID, passport, proof of address, which can be a water bill, electric bill, bank statement, gas bill, pay stub, or a cell phone bill. If anybody wants to set up a consultation, we can set up a consultation. Consultations are free. You do not have to do a consultation if you don't have time and just want to sign up. Just let me know when you contact me exactly what you'd like to do. That's all I got for now, and I hope y'all have a great Sunday.